Well, hello designers and new friends. Thank you so much for tuning back in with your girl, Latisha McKinney. And if you are brand new, welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So today we are going to be doing something different. It is a tea light candle holder brooch. So let's get started in this tutorial. Now, a lot of the items you're going to see in this tutorial, you're going to have the mirror candle holder, the tea light candle holder, and we're going to also have those gems that comes from the Dollar Tree as well. The only thing that you're not going to see that comes from the Dollar Tree are the brooches. But if the Dollar Tree have some, let me know down below. Just check the description box. We have everything down there for you. So you're going to turn your tea light candle holder upside down and you're going to place your hot glue right there in the center. Remember, it never takes much when you're applying hot glue, especially if you're using a high temp gun. Just place about this much of hot glue on your tea light candle holder. So now that we have our mirror turned upside down, we're going to place our tea light and place it on the bottom of our mirror candle holder. Now, when we turn it over, it should look like this. You do not have to remove the black tabs and you do not have to remove the UPC tape at all. You can leave all of that on there. But again, it's totally up to you. I'm just trying to save you some time. Now, where you see me rubbing my finger at, you want to make sure that you have enough room, because what we're going to do is we're going to be applying the brooch, but we're not going to apply the brooch where it's going to be touching your surface. Now, I removed the pin from off of this brooch and I will tell you guys why in just a moment. Now, we're going to take those flat back brooches and I'm going to do my stacking method. That's when I take a brooch and place a brooch on top of that brooch. And this is what it should look like when you have all of your flat back brooches onto the brooch that you choose to use. And remember, I will have everything down below. Now we're going to be applying our gems that come from the Dollar Tree as well. I placed the hot glue in the center. Next, I'm going to place my gem that I got from the Dollar Tree onto the back of my brooch. And I'm going to hold it down until it's dry. And it should look just like this. This is how we're going to apply the hot glue onto the gem and the brooch on the back. We're going to start right here on the top of the gem, and then we're going to work our way down the back of the brooch. So again, we're going to start at the top of the gem and then we're going to work our way down to the bottom of the brooch. And it does not take a lot at all. This is how I applied it onto my mirror. I'm taking the gem and the brooch where you see me add that hot glue and holding it in position. Now right here, make sure that the sides do not overlap, that they're just touching one another until it dries. So I'm going to show y'all what I did. I just applied my hot glue the way I told you guys before, and then I'm going to position it onto the mirror just as I was telling you just in the last clip. So I want you all to get a better view of it and just hold it down until it dries. So hopefully everyone can see that better. And right here in the inside, this is what it should look like, but no worries about that because they're going to be focused on the outside of the tea light brooch candle holder. Right here, we're going to add another brooch and it's going to be very, very beautiful. I think it's going to make it stand out a whole lot. Make sure you tap it and that you have no loose brooches at all, because we aren't using hot glue. Now you can go back and add E6000 if you would like, but this is temporary for me. And I'm just going to tap it again to make sure that everything is in place. So now it is time for me to announce our winners. I know you see my hands going, but this is where I wanted to go ahead and announce the new winners for the bling wrap. The silver is going to Wanda and the rose gold is going to Deline. So make sure you two read my pinned comment down below. Now this is where I am placing my flat back brooches right here towards the bottom. And I'm going to do that all the way around my design. So this is where I'm going to add that brooch that I was telling you about towards the beginning of the video when I was talking about the brooch. is right here in the front. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the pen because remember, it's just a temp project for me for right now. It's just temporary. And this is how it looks thus far. I am going to add some more brooches to it. However, you can finish it out the way that you like. I'm just going to add some more. Now, you do not have to add any more brooches to it if you do not want to. I'm just having fun with this project because it's new to me, and so I love to try new things. So I see that this one is a little bit shaky, so I'm going to add some more hot glue to this brooch. And you can just, you know, kind of change up your brooches some to just make it look different, because they have a lot of brooch bouquets, a lot of brooches on their wine glasses. So I said, hey, what about a tea light holder? So that's when I came up with that design. But I do think I'm going to add like one more onto here. And I'm looking to see where I'm going to place it, where it has the most space. And I'm going to place it like right here, like the one I did in this tutorial. I love the heart, little small heart brooch. And that's why I'm going to place it right there. And you can see it. This is where I placed that heart brooch. Very beautiful. All right, designers, so let me know what you all think about today's design down below. And I noticed that we have a lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of people that want to go into this industry that do follow us in this community. So let's share our thoughts. And I put a little tea light candle holder in there, well, a little tea light candle, so you guys can see how it looks. Now remember, we have one more giveaway to do, and that will be our gift card. So make sure that you signed up with our newsletter when we announce our winner. And I'm so excited to do this for the very first time. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day.